Ever wonder if plants can talk? Well, they actually do. Plants communicate with each other all the time. They may not have mouths, but they send signals through the air and the soil. Underground, their roots release chemicals to warn others of danger. It's like a plant version of a warning text. And get this, plants even talk to sunlight. They grow toward it, using light as a signal to know where to go. Some plants even create sound waves, like a secret language we can't hear. These vibrations help them share information with other plants. So next time you talk to your plants, remember, they might be talking back. Plants are amazing, right? Nature's communication system is way cooler than we thought. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun nature facts.